My name is Cliff. I'm 23 years old, originally from the Netherlands. I'm currently studying at Tilburg University in a strategic management program, but I'm doing the double degree studies, which is why I'm now in Zagreb. In the year of Corona, I thought that I wasn't really finished with studying because I basically missed a full year. And in this year, I was really looking for an extra opportunity and to still develop myself after this kind of weird year. And then, I came across the idea of going abroad again, and I found the opportunity with my home university, which has a partnership with ZSEM. And in that way, I eventually ended up in Zagreb. Not really, since the culture is pretty comparable to the Netherlands. I also went to Asia once, also for studies, and that was pure culture shock. But compared to the Netherlands, it's quite similar. So the habits are similar, and also the people are behaving a bit similar. So in that way, it was kind of easy actually. I think my home university is pretty big. Only the faculty has thousands of students, and here it's so small scaled. You see everybody just walking around, and the lecture halls is very small scaled, and you also have kind of a more personal relation with the professor. So I think this small scale is kind of nice to experience once. I would say it's the opportunity for a lifetime. Just do it. Being abroad is a different experience than living at home. You really have a lot of opportunities to discover Europe, but also to meet a lot of new cultures. So in that sense, I would just do it because it's great for the development.